feel today? Do you feel happy? Or do you feel sad? Or angry? Or surprised? So how do you feel today? So today remember that we are going to do some activities, but first we are going to check the days of the week, okay? So you are going to repeat after me. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Excellent, very well. And now we are going to check how is the weather there at your home, okay? So, is it cloudy? Or is it windy? Or maybe is it rainy? Or is it sunny? So, how is the weather there at your home? So remember, so when you finish all your activities, you are going to have a cupcake. Yes, a cupcake. So let's go to the activity. For the first activity, we are going to use your shell and your board. So you are going to cover with your shell, okay, your board, okay, and you are going to have a little water there. So you are going to put in your finger, okay, we are going to use fingers, the index finger, and we are going to trace the numbers, okay? So for example, number 2, and we are going to trace the number 2. For that reason, you are going to put a little bit water, okay? And you are going to trace the number 2, then the number 5, maybe 7, yes? Excellent, very well. And now you are going to take your notebook, okay? And you are going to open on this page. Okay, so you are going to count them, okay, for example, 1, 2, and 3, and with your pencil, you are going to write here the correct number, and you are going to do the same for the others, okay, and then you can color it. Excellent. Then, the last activity, we are going to identify the number 10. So, remember, this is the number 10, so you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. And you are going to open now your notebook here, okay? So you are going to use, in this case, crayons, okay? And you are going to choose 4 colors. And you are going to trace the number 10 with your 4 colors. Then, well, with your 4 crayons, right? Then here, you are going to count 10, only 10, and you are going to color it, okay? Because here we have more than 10. So only you are going to color it 10. Yes? Excellent. In this activity, we are going to start with a plastic ball, okay? So you are going to bounce there on your floor, and your parents are going to help you with this activity because when they are going to clap, and you are going to bounce your ball depending the rim of the claps, okay? So they are going to do fast, or maybe slow, okay? Excellent. Then we are going to work with your book. So on this page, we are going to work in 3, right? So you have 3 characters. So depending the story, you are going to circle the correct characters, okay? So you are going to circle, but you are going to use watercolor. So you are going to use your fingers, okay? You are going to use your fingers and you are going to circle, okay? So you can use 2 different colors. So when you finish this part, so now you are going to use this worksheet, okay? And we are going to create a helicopter. So for that reason, you are going to need 2 straws, 1 flexible straw, masking tape, glue stick, right? And you are going to have this one. Yes? And then only you have to blow, throw the straw, and your helicopter is going to fly. Yes? Excellent. In this activity, first you are going to show me your favorite toy, okay? And you are going to talk about your favorite toy, and then you are going to put there on your table. Then you have there a container, and you have some objects, okay? So I'm going to say, look for the coin, look for the key, and all the objects that you have there. So there on your table, you have three circles, okay? Orange, pink, and blue. And I'm going to say the objects that are made by wood, you are going to put in the orange. Pink about metal, okay? And the other one about plastic. So you are going to classify them. So when you finish this part, so now we are going to work on your book, on this page, okay? 2027. So you have there some picture and you have to see if they have a rhyme, and you are going to use, in this case, watercolors, okay? Remember that in the other activity you use watercolor only with one finger, but in this case you are going to use all your fingers, okay? So for example, you have the first one that is metal and petal, okay? That is right. The other, it will be fabric and plastic, so it doesn't have a rhyme. And the last one, that is plastic and elastic, so it has, so you are going to, okay, you are going to follow the path, but you are going to do it with your fingers, right? Excellent. In this activity, we are going to use again your relic, okay? So I remember that you have amazing relics. So you are going to put again on your table, and you are going to use your Play-Doh, and you are going to try to create it, right? Excellent. So when you finish this part, so now we are going to play a memory game. So you have there your relic objects, okay? That remember that we used in the previous class, and now you have this worksheet, okay? So there are the modern objects. So you are going to put both, okay, there on your table, and you are going to play. So you have to find the old, for example, the old TV and the modern TV, okay? So when you finish this part, so now with the correct pair, you are going to paste on your notebook, okay? Yes? Excellent. In the last activity, you are going to start, okay, coloring this umbrella, okay? So you have to identify very well the numbers, okay? You are going to use your watercolors, and when you finish, you are going to cut it, okay? And you are going to paste on your notebook, okay? Excellent. So when you finish this part, so now you are going to open your book on the page 24, okay? So now on this page, okay, so we are going to see what picture are correct, okay, or in which picture we can see that the toys are in good conditions, okay? So you are going to put, okay, you are going to circle, but how are you going to do it? You are going to use confetti, you are going to put glue stick, and you are going to create a circle, okay? Yes? Excellent. We finished all the activities. Excellent, very well. So here you have your cupcake. Excellent, very well. So I hope to see you next week. I send you a kiss and a big hug. I love you. Bye-bye.